Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how I make my simple clear gel wash. This is made with simple moisturizing ingredients that feel great on your skin. It's not made with any harsh or stripping ingredients. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to weigh out my ingredients, and everything I used in this recipe will be listed in the description box. So I'm going to weigh out my distilled water, I'm using some processed aloe vera gel. This is going to make this gel wash very moisturizing. I do not recommend using fresh aloe vera gel because it does not last long in this recipe. I'm just going to mix. I'm going to set aside our water-based ingredients, and now I'm going to mix my xanthan gum. For this recipe, you are going to need cosmetic grade clear xanthan gum because that's what's going to make this gel wash clear. Next is vegetable glycerin. This is going to hydrate the xanthan gum, and it's also going to draw moisture to your skin. So once I add in the vegetable glycerin, I'm just going to mix till it's well combined. After mixing, you want to make sure that there are no lumps. So I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to combine my surfactants, starting off with cocoa betaine. There are so many surfactants out there, so definitely do your research. I like using this one, and the next one I'm going to use is glucoside. Both these surfactants have a gentle, non-stripping lather. They lather very well as well, and they're actually mild on the skin. I'm using some essential oil that is completely optional. So I added in my essential oil to my surfactants, and I'm just going to mix until it's well combined. So for this recipe, I made without oils except for the essential oil, because if you add in oils, it's going to affect how clear your gel wash will be. So this is what I have so far. I'm going to add in my xanthan gum mixture, and I'm just going to mix in. I will say for this recipe, use half of the xanthan gum listed in the recipe because my gel wash was quite thick. But if you like your gel wash thick, then leave the xanthan gum amount as it is. So you just want to mix until your xanthan gum is well combined, and if you notice it's a little bit clumpy, but it will adjust over the next few hours. But this is what the consistency is looking like. I'm just going to check the pH of my gel. This is important because you want to make pH balanced skincare. So I'm just going to mix in some distilled water and take some of my gel mixture, then I'm going to check the pH. And the final pH was 5.69, and I was okay with that. You can always adjust some more. I added in my preservative. I'm using Optifen. There's so many other preservative options out there. I have a preservatives video. You can check that out in the description box. I'm just going to mix till it's well combined. and this is what it's looking like so far after mixing. So I'm going to leave my mixture overnight. I usually like to leave it for about 24 hours before I bottle and package it up, but it's up to you. I find that I have a better consistency when I give it some more time. So that's what I'm going to do next. And before I forget, I've opened up some more dates in December for our beginner class, making skincare. So check the description box, all the information will be there as well. And the next day, this is what my consistency looked like. So if you don't want your gel as thick as this, then use half of the xanthan gum. The regular xanthan gum that you buy on maybe Amazon is not going to give you this clear gel. You have to use a cosmetic grade xanthan gum, and specifically the clear xanthan gum. But this is what it's looking like so far. I'm just going to package this up, and this made 7 ounces. I did spill some, so I recommend using a funnel, but this is what I have so far. So with this recipe, you can always customize it even more to make it your own. You can add in your additives and just make it how you want it to be. So I'm going to show you how well this lathers. The combination of the surfactants combined makes such good lather, and the addition of glycerin, aloe vera gel makes this even more moisturizing on your skin as well. So I hope you try out this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love to hear from you all, and if you have questions, ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and also please like this video because that really helps me out. And also please don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.